Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to talk about an amazing new feature in Messenger. You can now easily send HD-quality photos. Wondering how? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. With the new update in Messenger, you can now send photos in HD quality. This means you can share your favorite moments with much better clarity, something that often got lost with lower quality images before. This is especially useful for those who want to maintain high quality when sending photos. Open the Messenger app and go to the chat where you want to send a photo. Tap on the camera icon and select a photo from your gallery. Once you select the photo, you'll see an HD icon at the top, right? Click on it to convert the photo to HD quality. After that, just hit send, and your HD photo will be on its way. This HD photo feature will definitely enhance your photo sharing experience. However, keep in mind that HBOWs can be larger in size, which may increase your data usage. So it's important to consider this if you're on a limited data plan. I hope this video helps you make the most out of Messenger's new feature. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.